Welcome to a new video. Today I provide news about EMUI 9.1 beta. So let's get started. After Huawei announced that 49 of its devices would be receiving EMUI 9.1 in the coming months, we're now already seeing the EMUI 9.1 beta roll out to a few select handsets. The list does include a number of Honor handsets too. That was expected given that Honor is a subsidiary of Huawei, and all Honor handsets do run a slightly forked version of EMUI. As for the list, it includes a number of devices that were previously said to be in testing. That said, as the EMUI 9.1 beta is only currently available in China, we're not likely to see the stable release for a little longer yet. According to the Android sold via XDA developers, these are the devices currently testing the EMUI 9.1 beta update: Huawei Mate 20 Lite, Huawei P20 Lite, Huawei Nova 3, Huawei Nova 3i, Huawei Nova 2, Huawei P10, Honor View 20, Honor Magic 2, Honor 7X, Honor 8X, Honor 9, and the last one is Honor 10. This update does vary slightly from handset to handset, as those using the Mate 20 Lite, Honor P10 and P10 Plus, Nova 3i, Nova 2s, Honor 9, and Honor V9 are receiving EMUI 9.1.0.180. The Honor 10, Honor V10, or Honor Play sees the EMUI 9.1 beta update arriving as the 9.1.0.310 firmware. The same update is also rolling out as EMUI 9.1.0.200 to the Honor 8X and 9.1.0.110 to the Nova 3. As this is a China-only rollout at the moment, we are not entirely sure if the EMUI 9.1 beta will head out globally or simply appear as a stable update in the coming months. Naturally, any Huawei or Honor users in China lack the ability to access Google Play services natively, so we could see some quite different builds head to Western devices. That's it from this video. Hit subscribe and bell icon to get tech, gaming and tutorial videos and notifications on time. Smile.